Hello, my name is Naira Fabiola Ramon Luna. It's my forum. My city, Cucuta. The city where I live is Cucuta. Name also has the Pearl of the North. Population. The population is more than 700,000 inhabitants. Urban area climate. The urban area is 1,176 square kilometers. Has an average temperature it is 28 degrees. Education. Basic education is free and college has a low cost. There are also a wide amount of private schools and universities. Geography. The city is located in the geographic region called Valle de Cúcuta in the eastern mountain range of the Andes. It is crossed by the Rio Pamplonita from south to north. Economy. The city bases its economy on trade, on industrial production related to construction elements, cement, clay, bricks, dairy products processing, shoes factory, tourism, and Venezuela. Culture and entertainment. The city is hosts the different cultural events organized by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, which include national and international plays. Thank you.